All right, so today I will be reviewing Minnesota's Legal Paraprofessional Pilot Project. And this was Minnesota's expanded role definition for delivering and facilitating legal services in the state of Minnesota. All right, so the pilot project, the Legal Paraprofessional Pilot Project, in March 2019, the Minnesota Supreme Court issued an order establishing the Implementation Committee for a proposed Legal Paraprofessional Pilot Project. The project's intended use was to increase access to civil legal representation in case types where one or both parties typically appear without legal representation. And this was your typical or pro se action or pro se litigants who either chose or felt they have no financial means to seek legal counsel and decided to represent themselves in a civil matter. The order would permit legal paraprofessionals to provide legal advice to clients and in some instances represent them in court under the supervision of a licensed Minnesota attorney. The Implementation Committee was charged with defining the format, structure, rules, and implementation of a pilot project for the delivery of civil legal services by legal paraprofessionals. This charge included the express objective of serving clients with unmet legal needs in housing, family law, or debtor-creditor disputes. These were the three identified areas of law to which had a high rate of self-representation in civil disputes: housing, family law, and debtor-creditors. The committee's due diligence was robust. It included hearings from judges, court administration staff, attorneys, paralegals. They surveyed over 579 participants to get their feedback, many which were a mix of opposition and those were in favor. They assigned focus groups and any others who had an interest in the pilot project. The committee's specific recommendations were organized into four broad categories. Number one, the scope of legal paraprofessional pilot project, which focuses on housing law disputes and family law disputes. Two, the establishment of an oversight committee and related procedures. This included an application and an approval process for the paraprofessional. It also established qualifications for them to practice. It developed a complaint process that protects the consumer, and it also added certificates of representation for both the paraprofessional and the legal licensed attorney that was presiding or supervised that paraprofessional. Number three, the development of a pilot project evaluation plan and tools. The evaluation plan should measure the pilot's project impact on each of the three goals set forth in the recommendation. So they wanted to ensure that the pilot project was ensured being successful or was not, and they could plan and track those measures to improve it. The creation of a communication and marketing plan. The committee wanted to select an identifier that distinguishes the role of the rostered legal paraprofessionals. The communication plan should expand the awareness of the pilot project in a convenient and inclusive manner to not only those within the industry, but those to the community at large as well. In conclusion, the committee believes that the implementation of the Legal Paraprofessional Pilot Project has the ability to positively impact access to justice in Minnesota. The committee urged the Supreme Court within the state to continue to seek ways to expand upon the recommendations contained in this report through the encouragement and support of ongoing innovative and entrepreneurial efforts to serve the unmet civil needs of low and modest income litigants in Minnesota's courts. The citations that I referenced below, I highly recommend reviewing those. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for your time.